Hello, my name is Johan Andersson and I'm going to have a look at Bitcoin today. Usually I look at the Swedish stock market, but today we'll have a look at Bitcoin. Mainly because it's in a very interesting formation, and I will start at the H4 time frame here and have a look at this formation. We have a trend line going back all the way to the 16th of December, starting here. And this also marks the beginning of this sharp uptrend we've seen. Um, and well, have been very bright. The future's been bright here, but since the top 9th of January, price has moved into a correction phase, and it's quite a perfect wedge formation we have. Depending on which side the price will close, it will also mark the direction of the next move. And it can be sharp. Sometimes it can look like a little attempt to break out, come back and test, and then drop. Or it will drop a little bit and test, for instance, the MA200 moving down here, or further down. If we're going into a deeper correction, we will take out this low and come all the way down to 25,000. That's more or less the confluence area of support we have below these lows here, which are around 30,200. So this is a good level to step in if you're long-term bullish or medium-term bullish Bitcoin. You can see prices right now as I'm talking on today, 20th of January 2021. Price is attempting to break lower here, and we are 30 minutes to go on this candle, so it's a serious attempt to break lower. Let's see if we close below this line. It's of course important, so we're looking for a close below before judging whether this will hold or not, this long support line here. So we're also going to have a look at the daily chart. Let's look at that. And here we have price in a nice bullish uptrend, but we can see we had a bearish MACD cross here on the 12th of January, and we're sort of moving down now in accordance. So already when this happened here, I was sort of hesitant to buy anything, and now we're sort of, this move is bearish move is pressure, let's call it the pressure from the MACD indicator is moving down, and you can see price actually acting in accordance with this cross. So things are looking a little bit bearish at this point, even on the daily time frame. Even though we could have something like a descending channel here or something going back to this, down to this level, and we would have something like that, and then a bounce maybe. So all in all, things are looking bright for Bitcoin, even though, well, we can see the starting point here of profit taking and correction, which is of course needed if we have a move like this, almost parabolic move. So it's good that we have a parabolic move and then we have a correction like this, contraction here, because then it's not sort of a blowout here and then we're going back into a bearish mood. But it looks more like we're going for a correction and then we'll probably go higher, continuing higher here. Just for curiosity, we can have a look at where price could move if we, let's see here if we can get a line going here. trend line. Let's draw a line here to this top, like that. Let's project it. Let's see where we end up. An ABCD move could take us up to 73,000. Yeah, that's basically the shaft of this flag here. If you call it the flag pattern, or pendant, or whatever. And this is the pole here. So this is the projected target up here somewhere. But okay, we're not there yet, and let's see where we can go from here. Let's have a look at the weekly chart also before I close. The weekly chart is looking good. Let's take away this. It's looking good. We have the MACD indicator moving nicely up. You can see we have the participation here. We can see that the MACD indicator is taking out this top, as price is too. So it's a healthy bullish move up in comparison to the 2017 top we had. We had a bump here actually on the 2019, but didn't really make it, so which made things very bleak here. And of course, if you bought down here, you would have been in good shape right now. Yeah. So that's where we are. So yeah, that was all from me, and I hope to come back really soon here, because I think things are interesting. Whether we will have a correction, or whether we will sort of, this breakout will be a fake one. You can see it's already retracing a little bit here. We're now 26 minutes back to close this candle, and you can see there's no real sharp. It's been eaten up here by buying orders, and we might actually get a close above this line, which probably would ease the pressure for now, and we could move up towards these regions. So let's see how it plays out. Thanks.